All right. So, what is up? What is up? Oh gosh, dude, my hair's all messed up, bro. I just got out of the shower. What's up? Let me pull up chat. Oh, Destroy Lonely just dropped his
Ali, I
album.
love you.
Bro, shut up. Why is it playing that? It's loud. I don't want closed captions either. What's up, FX Dope? We got Data Los below. Bro, why do I have a 52-second unskippable ad? Bruh. Longs or short? Alright, bro. We're just asking on longs or short. Right now, price action is not really the best. We're also pre-market. But we have this data low. The highest time frame would be this 5-minute. We also have news at 10. So we will see. From this 15-minute. It's a really 10-minute. What was the news? It was some announcement about the iPhone with China or something. Like they were delaying the release or whatever. You can check Financial Juice. It says Apple delays iPhone Air launch in China city, cites regulatory issue with Apple iPhone China delay related to eSIM issues. This was also a data level. We already took it out. I really want a short here with all-time highs above. I prefer we sweep data lows and get along. Get something confirming we're bearish bias. All right. What time is this? 8:35. So you're doing a private Discord? Yeah, today's the last day. I said it starts soon. So today's the last stream. Then we have the free study session on Sunday, which will be moving to Discord as well after Sunday. But the lows made from news, yeah, was. Why would I join your private Discord if you don't even win on the live streams? I do. I do. This is the only week that I've been break even. I've been break even this week. I haven't taken any losses. And yesterday's trade was a win. I just my fill was bad. I entered here and you can see it touched the break even here. Came back down. My fill was up here. So I got break even. It was like right here. My friend took same trade as me and his fill was down here. So he didn't get break even. It was a winning trade. And I will admit, bro, I got emotional yesterday. I didn't like do anything stupid because I got emotional. I was just mad, but I didn't act on it. And I posted payouts on my Twitter. Where do you get your news from to know this data low? Financial Juice. So Financial Juice shows us Apple delays air launch, iPhone air launch in city in China. I don't know why I said China. Sites report. Yeah. This week's just been really awful. This is the worst week I've had in a while, and I'm not even taking losses. It's just break evens. The Discord after a winning week. Bro, I had a winning week last week. I had a winning week last week, bro. I don't want to be. Wait, let me check ES. This is all time highs. So we gotta be bullish. How does Blake literally not lose? He does. He posted, or I don't know if he posted them, but he took some losses. Took a couple last week. My biggest payout right now is only 1K. I could request one right now, but I'm trying to go for a little bit of a bigger one. And this is a winning week. I'm up a partial. But what's my X? Just it should be in the description. I don't know. It's Logan Trades with like 2 Z's. Mm. Everybody takes losses. Right to my pen. He doesn't lose a lot. A lot of people don't lose a lot. Is the red folders to him today very important? What's red folder and financial juice? Then it should be. Yeah. Mohammed from yesterday. I would have thought about taking this 1 minute, but this is a really, really bad 1 minute. I don't know if you guys see the chop and also this PA here. I'm just waiting for market open at this point because this PA looks horrible. Sometimes we get good pre-market PA, but we don't have anything today. Tape off a trader one payment or monthly? It's monthly until you pass it. Once you pass it, then it's a one-time payment. What's up, Monic? Think PA will be better next week, bro? I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. I hope so. You took a short or you cooked. It's a valid setup, but I don't. This price action is not it for me. This week's just been cooked in general, bro. I was really, really hoping that like it wasn't gonna be cooked all week. I'm not even that mad about being break even yesterday. I don't think Dodgy took anything either. I don't think a lot of people took anything. The one I took, bro, I'm just annoyed about the fact that my break even went to TP right after because of my fill. Do I have a high win rate? Yeah, probably like 75% right now. All right, we're about to be a market open. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna put my phone away. We got news until we don't have any news until 10. So definitely gonna see if we get anything here. Maybe we get a juicy swing off market open. I really want data lows to get taken so we can look for a long off of it. I'll go get water, dude. Damn. I hope we leave this here. Please leave this here. I want us to come down and take out this data low first. Nice. Yeah, dude. Please don't be a crappy market open. I want to see this candle go down. Please move and don't be trash. I have a feeling today's going to be terrible. I have a feeling today could be good. We have 10 a.m. news. What's up, Vlad? Here, let me check something real quick. Oh, I'm not logged in. Let me log in on everything. All right, I'm logged in now. Let me make sure it's the right account. All right, we're good. Wholesome desktop. Right, let's go. Another bad open PA. I mean, it seems like we're moving now. You're waiting for Logan signals. We have a 5-minute gap we could be delivering off of here if we sweep this low. Don't leave wicks here, bro. We mark out ES is data low. 831. Bro, I don't know why. I feel horrible right now. Nice. Took out data low and didn't make a single fair value gap on the way down, so no setups we could even look for here. We would need price to continue down more. I mean, we have this tiny, tiny gap here. It's not even a point. The RR would be horrible on this. Five-minute above. We haven't formed that 5-minute yet. If we do form it, that would be good. I don't know if I want to take that random of a 30-second, dude. Logan helps me high keys. Helps me see the flaws. He's picky. Shout out to you. Thank you, bro. Honestly, a resweep of this though could be one of the best things. With delivery off of this gap, but I don't know if we'll get that. Hopefully we do. We have like, okay, we could leave this little 30-second here. This one. So we left it here. Let's see if we react to this. Maybe not. Maybe we dump down London low. I don't know. We don't have a. Oh, this is a 15-minute here. I don't know why I have it marked out as a 5. if I were to take this, break even would be here. Unless you form this 5-minute, it would just be a setup to this 5-minute here. We form this 2-minute, would be a setup to this. We put in a 2-minute there, no 2-minute, so this 30-second would be the highest time frame here. Let's see, goes above. If we were to inverse here, this would form an OB. How do you work on your filtration system with setup? Sometimes I go too early and then it sweeps again. I don't really know. I guess it just over time I started to do that. Okay, so stop loss will probably be here now at the OB. So I could take this on here actually. Depending on the close. Dude, I don't know why I'm like freezing this morning, dude. I feel like I'm sick right now. I'm like shaking. Holy crap, dude. I don't know what's wrong with me right now. No close there. Definitely would think about taking this on here. I'm like shaking, dude. What's wrong with me right now? Okay, depending on how far above we close, I will choose which one to enter on. Okay. Okay, so that was a horrible fill. Holy crap, that was a horrible fill. Stop loss at the OB. Okay, let me check for an SMT real quick. Okay. No SMTs with any of these. That was a horrible fill, by the way. So now this trade is actually risking a little bit more. 2-minute didn't close. We don't have a 2-minute gap there. SMT at the data lows. Delivering off 15-minute here. Swap the sell side. Looking for a rebalance of this 5-minute gap here. Just a 1-to-1R. Don't have any SMTs here. That was a horrible fill, dude. My fill should have been all the way down here. Should have been like a 1.5 R. Send the signal to my 10K course group. Don't fail them. 2-minute close, nice. Okay, that's good. There's no too many gaps there, but yeah, that's still good. All right, and we should just look for this rebalance here. Check for SMTs real quick. Yeah, no SMTs there. Close to the rebalance of that. Hit on MNQ, you said? Oh, 2-minute close on MNQ. Okay. Any SMT here? No. When break even? I'm not going to put break even on this. I might do break even actually. Just because we ran all these internals, so we should just touch this. Just don't want to move break even early, you know? But we should just hit this here. Yeah, we're so cool. Bro, we've edged TP so many times this week. So annoying. There we go. Good shit. All right. I'm done for the week. Oh my gosh, bro. That's all I wanted, bro. Just give me a single trade, please. That's all I wanted. Oh my gosh, bro. I've been edged TP so many times this week. You guys don't understand. I've been edged so many times. My fills should have been here, dude. This was look how like when I tell you guys my fills are ass, dude. My fill was up here and I entered here. Don't get me wrong, like it still won, but blast some Cardi. That was scary. I wouldn't say it was scary, bro. I was just so like, dude, I'm so aggravated from all week, bro. Actually, I should stop doing that. My girlfriend tells me stop pulling on your eyes like that. Oh my gosh. I've been so aggravated all week. Edged and dude, oh my gosh, I know Shiny Mario. Bro, Shiny Mario. Bro, Edge TV, bro. This was Wednesday. Tuesday, Edge TV. I'm like, bro, I just want to win, please. I just want to win, please. Just give me one. Oh, I can go on my weekend without being so mad now. I'm up 1.5 R on the week because I had a partial. Okay. At least I'm up 1 R. All right. Finally, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, Shiny Mario, bro. PTSD, bro. Holy shit. Crazy PTSD, bro. But dude, you guys see what I'm talking about when I say I get horrible fills? Look at the 1.6 R I should have had. Look at my fill. My fill was up here, dude. When I talk about I have horrible luck with this, bro. I have horrible luck. Oh my gosh. Bro, talking about some copy trade, Tavin. Oh my gosh, bro. I need to call Ian, bro. Ian's getting on late today. Ian's getting on late today. He said he's not gonna be on until later. So I'm not gonna be on until after 10 a.m. news. Daniel, why didn't you take TP there? Bro, answer. I need a flex, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. I was stressing because of my entry though. Use a swing stop loss. So the R wasn't even one. Oh. Well, my stop loss was at the OB. The bottom of the OB. You gotta go crazy on legs. Yeah, Peanut does have legs today. Finally! Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, I can request my biggest payout now. Finally. Bro, what's up, Ian? Candlestick legs are meta. Bro, Ian, I still got Ian, are you still in here? Assuming you form the OB, the internal high isn't as important. What do you mean internal high? When we formed the OB, my stop loss didn't go here. My stop loss was here. Okay, Ian. Bro, when I tell you Phil's like ruined my trading, bro, I won today, but my fill should have been down here. You see where the close is, right? See where the close is? My fill was up here. Like, come on. I don't have any cheeks. I don't have a 30-second. Oh, bro, but like, bruh, what is my luck? That would have been a 1.6 R, but I got 1.1. Dude, I don't know why I'm shaking today, dude. I feel like I'm like sick, bro. I feel horrible. I can end my week not so mad now. You just trusted Logan's entry. Is this win mech? Yeah. I just watched Bros Phil jump 2 candles. I'm saying, bro. No way, bro. Why did I sound like that? I sound like a teapot, bro. Oh. Finally, got a win on the week. Was partial or break even all week. So no full TPs this week, except for just now. Finally hit a full TP on stream. Finally, bro. I've been stressing, bro. I've been struggling all week, bro, mentally, just taking these break evens and ended the week with a full win. Finally, I can go into the weekend happy. Got my TikTok out the way. Got my TikTok out the way, guys. I posted. I posted and said I gotta post 5 TikToks a day. So, gotta get one out the way in the morning, at least. But the new iPhone looks horrible. Let me edit my TikTok. I'll stay on stream, guys. I'll stay on and I'll watch. I'm gonna log out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch this. Finally, got a win on the week. Was partial or break even all week. So no full TPs this week, except for just now. Finally hit a full TP on stream. I've been struggling all I've been struggling all week, bro, mentally, just taking these break evens and ended the week with a full win. Finally, I can go into the weekend happy. Holy crap, dude. I don't know, 3 minute short. Let me see. I personally wouldn't like to short here into the 15-minute gap. Doesn't mean it would be horrible. Have we put in any No, we haven't put in any failure swings for the 3 minute. We're not really delivering off of anything. Oh, we are actually the 5 minute. Sorry, I don't know. I have the 5 minute drawn out. Delivering off the 5 minute. Honestly, I would prefer like for a short, anyways, to have failure swings like these failure swings to generate some liquidity. So now that we've reswept this, if we get like maybe a 30-second in here, it would be really, really good. Sorry, guys, I'm posting the TikTok real quick. I'll pay attention to the charts. Give me a second. I'm done trading for the day, but I will still be on stream. I'll be commentating. Just give me a minute. I'm just posting the TikTok real quick, and then I will go back to being not locked in. Like I'm not taking any trades, but I will be paying attention and drawing out setups and everything. I'll just forward test the rest of the day. I don't even want a paper trade right now. I take paper trading too seriously. I'm not gonna lie, this week has just been really, really bad. I don't know. It's like just many different things. Like trading yesterday was just so hard. All right, Tavin, go hit back, bro. But yeah, we do have news in 3 minutes, so I wouldn't recommend taking any setups right now. I'm still probably gonna get off a little bit early, maybe like 10:30. But I'll stand here for a little bit. Just let me finish posting this TikTok. We tap into a higher time frame. PD rate does have to be unfilled. No, it does not always have to be unfilled. I don't know if we can edit, but I see a lot of teams. I find it crazy. I'll post losses or something, and everybody lines it up with. Let me see. Where was the last loss I took? Small loss here. Okay. Nobody really said anything. Uh. loss here. 6 people reacted. Let me see. Somebody full TP at the external S&T. Unfortunate break even. People send the crying emoji. What type of break even? People send the crying emoji. And then I sent the win today and nobody reacted to it. Oh wait. All right. We have 10 a.m. news in 30 seconds. Go on the 1 minute for this. This news might take us to all-time highs if it's like if it actually does anything. Sometimes the news doesn't really do much. SMT. There we go. Ooh. Nice data low. I just don't like shorting to data lows right now since we're at all-time highs. So I would prefer us to sweep data low before getting along. Like I did with this first setup. Also, I'm posting my live execution for today's trade at like noon. All right, guys? Oh my gosh, dude. I'm just so relieved right now, bro. Just something good after a terrible week, bro. Just between like the Charlie thing, bro. I was really sad about that, bro. Because he's someone I look up to. The Charlie, because I'm Christian and he teaches a lot about that. Also, like I know he talks about politics and everything, but the thing he puts in like his priority before any type of politics is always Christianity and following Jesus. So I really looked up to him, and I would listen to his stuff like in the shower and everything. Sometimes in the sauna and everything, but like, bro. So to me, it like really hit hard. So that, and then constantly getting on the charts for 8:30 news, and then sitting there for 3 hours, just to go edge TP, go break even. So like, I was already stressed about trading, and then some stupid stuff like that happens. It was just a really bad week for me this week. So to at least get something decent like this to end the week made me really happy. We have equal highs here. These quadruple equal highs would be good to leave if we take out data lows first. Enter Discord. Oh, you're calling me? Oh, sorry. Told you, bro. I don't hear anything. Oh, it's because it turns on streamer mode whenever I stream. What's up? Oh my gosh, dude. I'm so happy, bro. I needed something decent to happen this week, bro. I don't even care that my fill was horrible and I lost $200 because of the fill. I'm just happy I took the win, bro. It made it instead of a 1.6 R, it was 1.1 R. Yeah. 1500. I could do 2K if I want to. I don't want to yeah, I could either do 2K or 1500, but I want to slowly build a buffer so I don't want to take out all 2K. Here, wait, I'll unmute you on stream so they hear what I'm talking about. He was asking me about how much I'm going to request for my payout. Yeah. I don't know if I want to. I could request 2K, but I'm completely fine. I'm gonna request 400 out of today's win on my daily, and then I'm gonna request 1500 from Apex.
Okay,
How long
nice.
did it take me to get funded? It took me. It's honestly my first ever funded. I just gambled on news, but to get funded legit, took me about a year, and it was when I got funded with Take Profit Trader. How many? Because Take Profit Trader doesn't let you gamble on news. How many Apex accounts am I using? Right now, I'm using 4, but one of them I accidentally paid the monthly thing, so I'm risking more on it on purpose because I don't want to pay $100 a month activation fee. So I'm either trying to get it to a payout faster or blow it faster. I don't want the account. I'm gonna only pay this month. So if I take like 5 wins, I'll be able to request a max payout, and then I'll just like never pay the monthly fee again. I'll just cancel my monthly activation fee. I'm not paying $100 a month, bro. I can get a new funded from throwing it on news and replace that funded easily. But
You
yeah,
done trading today? Damn, what
yeah,
the fuck, bro?
yeah. I'm done trading today.
Guy almost hit me.
$140 for lifetime, 100 a month. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. I accidentally hit the 100 a month, so I'm risking 2x on this account right now, two time on my copy trader. So it's risking 2 times the amount, so I can either blow it faster or get the max payout and then just not pay the monthly again. So I could get a max payout first month with the account within the first 8 trading days.
Did you change your rules? I thought your rules were 2 trades a day,
Yeah,
like
but
max.
just based on this week, bro, I just don't want to take another trade right now.
Yeah,
I don't have the mental capacity to take another trade right now. If there's something good,
yeah.
I'll watch it. You could take it, but I
Why not
just
like
don't have the
put it on
mental
your why
capacity.
not put it on your other fundeds and keep the ones that you're gonna get the payout at today? Like just
Because
don't touch those.
consistency rule. It would be the big. It would make one of my days $1,000 day, and it would keep me from being able to request the payout today. Oh, you mean like on the other ones?
No, like the ones that you're not touching, like the ones that you're not using.
Yeah, I could. I just really don't
I
feel
thought
like wasting.
consistency was
I just don't feel like
yeah,
wasting my mental capacity, bro. I'm like,
yeah, don't.
but bro, and I know the Charlie Kirk thing wasn't a big thing for you, but bro, I was like, I was
I mean, bro, it
down.
wasn't
I was
like
down in
cool
the
for
dumps.
anyone to see
I
that.
was down in the dumps for 2 days. I went to the gym on my rest day because I was like I needed to feel better, bro. And then and getting edge TP every single day was making me crash out, bro. On top of that, and I was just, uh, bro. I go to school there. You do, J Dog? Were you there at the thing? Like when, or not at the thing, but were you at the school when it happened? Can you withdraw up to 2K above? Yeah, every eighth. Yeah. No, you can't withdraw up anything. You can't withdraw anything below the 52 100. I wonder when the Apex dashboard updates. I don't remember last time because I just checked my computer the next day or something. So for 2K payout, I need a balance. Yeah, but I'm copy trading, so I'm requesting 1K payout on one and a $500 payout on the other, and it's gonna be a 1,500 total. How does the first payout work at Apex? Once you get above the 52,600, you can request anything above 52,100. So if you hit the 52,600, you can request 500. But this week just read me facts. Pulled up, was walking. I heard a gunshot and saw a ton of people running. Damn. Did you know he was coming, bro? Do you know who the trans kid was that posted that thing? I don't know if you know who he was. It was the kid that posted something about he was like Charlie Kirk's coming to my school tomorrow. Something big's gonna happen. And he said I want to see Charlie Kirk evaporated. Do you see that? Or did you know who that kid was? And how long did Apex take to request to? How long did it take to request your first payout after getting the PA account? Well, you have to wait the 8 days. What do you mean? Like how long after getting the PA you have to wait 8 trading days, and 5 of them have to be winning days, over $50. No, you don't think his actual name's on that account? Damn. They could probably figure out how to do it. I mean, it's FBI. That they would figure out how to get his name out of the account.
You see the thing where there's some private jet that left the airport like 35 minutes after the shooting, and then they turned
went
off their
the
radar,
Yeah.
and they landed like an hour later.
Yeah. Does that take you to get your first payout after passing the eval? They caught the dude this morning. Yeah, they said they said they caught somebody, but I don't know if.
Yo, I saw that. That was like an hour ago. They said they had someone in custody. But,
Yeah.
bro, even my mom, and like my mom's not the biggest fan of Charlie Kirk.
Yeah, I
like
know,
she obviously thinks it's bad what happened, but she's not politically. She doesn't like what he stands for. But even she was like, she's like, it's kind of suspicious that he just started talking about the Epstein files and stuff like a few days ago, and he started talking about that.
Yeah.
We started talking about the JFK files too, and I'm like, bro.
But yeah, guys, I don't like any shorts here because we're at all-time highs. So the only way I would even consider, like, okay, like I said, I'm already done for the day. But if anybody is still looking for a trade, like this kid Ian here that wants to get on late,
Okay, bro.
I'm messing with you.
I don't think I'm looking for a trade. I'm looking for a trade if we somehow take out London
Data-
lows and then go back up, but that's not going to happen.
Well, I said
or data lows.
I was gonna say data lows.
Yeah, London's really far.
Yeah. Well, today's trade kind of helping me get over that thing of fear of small fair value gaps that I had indoctrinated in my brain.
The one that you targeted or you entered off of?
The one I entered off of. They caught his dad as a pastor, and he reported his own son. That's why they got him. That's good that he got caught. But I don't know if we still don't know if it's the actual shooter. It's just a suspect at this point. Because that old dude they arrested was the first guy they said did it.
They said apparently that old guy has ties to the suspect that they arrested now, I think.
Like
I was told.
Like
That's what I heard.
Here, Ian, I'm going to go on mute on stream real quick just because we know who owns YouTube.
Who owns this?
All right, I unmuted you on stream.
From what, the train thing?
Just everything in general happening this week between that girl and then.
I saw a video of some dude on a bike that was like they were doing like a Charlie Kirk, like not protest, but whatever, like a march or something. They were just in support of him, and there was a bunch of people gathering outside. Some dude on a bike with like a pride flag pulled up, and they started screaming like "fuck Charlie Kirk." And
oh yeah, and they jumped him. Yeah.
Everyone's like, bro, Charlie Kirk is a man of God. They're like, thank you. It's
Yeah,
like,
he wouldn't want you jumping people.
no. It's like the
But
equivalent of like,
but me
you
specifically,
know.
Bence, let me check real quick. Actually, it'll show me. It'll show me how many trading days I had before getting
Rest in
payout. I
peace,
think
Charlie Kirk. It's time to loot all the stores at my mall.
yeah, because somebody dying is a good excuse to loot.
Bro, did you see
We're
the guy
we're
that was taking the
civilized.
hats?
We're civilized.
After he
though.
got shot, the dude jumped over the fence and started taking hats off his thing and throwing them in the crowd.
Okay, guys, don't get mad at me for saying this, but Ian, what race was he?
Oh, it's really laggy. Give me a second.
Okay, so I had one trading day. Two trading. Wait, there's a trading. Wait. Oh, it just shows every day. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It was 15 days before I got the payout. Because you have to remember, when you're looking for your first payout, you have to like get past the buffer point. It's not like now I'm already past it, or I'm trying to build more of a buffer there. So I could take 3 partial wins and get a payout. Or not 3, I would have to take 5. Sorry, 5 partial wins and I could take a payout. And then 3 break-even days, because you need at least 5 winning days, and then you need 8 trading days total. Ian,
Yeah?
are you gonna answer my question?
What question?
You said the guy jumped over the thing and started started looting the stand after Charlie Kirk
Like,
got
yeah, you're
shot.
saying like the MAGA hats.
No, I said what race was he?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Bruh.
What do you think?
I'm just asking. Cause now
Not
see
even about like taking
no-
shit, bro, but the fact that some dude gets shot in front of you and you jump over to where he got shot to start stealing fucking hats. It's like crazy.
bro, did you not see the guy celebrating?
Yeah, the dude like that just started cheering right in the crowd.
Yeah.
That shit's like fuck.
I know. Like, bro, I swear I'm not racist, chat. But like,
It's nah, but it's fucked though, because that would be like both ways, bro. If that happened to like someone, like some Democratic person too,
what?
you know, half the people that are getting pissed off at people for like saying
I'm talking about the looting,
he
bro.
died, bro.
Looting his
What? No, I'm
thing
talking about the dude
after he
celebrating.
dies. Oh no, I
And,
don't.
like the
I feel
celebrating
like
is just crazy, bro.
okay. I feel like it depends, because if you have okay, I don't wish death on anybody, right? I don't want Nancy Pelosi to die, but I really don't like her. I wouldn't be
Yeah, bro,
celebrating
but if
if
she
Nancy
died,
Pelosi
yeah,
got shot.
absolutely not, bro. I would not be celebrating that. I'd be like, damn, that's like tragic. I'd be like praying for her
Tragic
family
new
and
paddock.
everything, bro. Bro, and the only exception would be like some dictator, bro. Like that would be. I wouldn't even celebrate that, but it would be like, I'd be like, yeah, okay, that's fine.
Yeah, what do you think about the Cookie Monster event?
The Cookie Monster event. I don't know what that is.
Look up the Cookie Monster event.
I'm not gonna do that.
We're the woke traders over here. Bro.
Woke trades that has aura, bro. Yo, my headset's like tweaking out right now. I don't know what's going on.
Bro, what is it? Bro,
What's going on with this?
do you not see those speeches? The Better watch Demon Slayer
Hold up.
tonight.
Give me a minute, bro.
I haven't watched it. I haven't watched it. Sorry, it's not out. It just came out today. I might see it today. Let me see. Demon Slayer. The movie. I gotta. Ian, have you seen the cups for the movie?
Which movie?
Oh, they actually they're playing it in dubbed at the oh my gosh, I can see it in dub.
Demon Slayer?
Yeah, they're playing it in dub
Oh,
and
nice.
sub.
That's pretty good.
But you have to go to bigger movie theaters. The one by my house isn't playing it in dub. I have to go to the mall.
The Treasure Coast?
Yeah.
You should see it in 4DX. That would be pretty cool.
Where's that?
It's like the motion enabled shit. Like the seats, it's almost like you're on like a ride.
Oh, I don't think they have it there.
Look at screen share. Bro, I don't know how I'm already close to a payout. Like that's kind of insane. I feel like some of it's luck. Like that trade yesterday should not have been.
No.
But look at this.
No, you got a good fill,
no,
bro.
I should have been break
No.
even. No, I honestly no, but I screwed it up.
No. Even if you put it a
But
point
I
above, you
put
wouldn't have
my-
been break even. Even if you put it a point above,
Okay,
you
well,
wouldn't have been break even.
regardless. I think if I think I would have been.
No, you
But
wouldn't have.
I just need to get my consistency lower. So if I take, well, and I'd obviously need to get like what?
If you
another
screen share,
500 to get-
screen share.
I am. Am I not?
Okay, all right, I'm looking. You're at 39% consistency, and if you take one more win, it'll go down.
And then, but I need what's the minimum payout? Like 500, and then. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 500.
Yeah. What did I get? I got an advanced, I think. Oh, profit target's 3 grand. Oh no, that's for the challenge. That's for the okay.
My girlfriend's happy they're playing it in dub.
Your girlfriend watches anime?
She likes Demon Slayer a lot. She watches it with me.
My girlfriend refuses to watch any anime. Her whole family is like addicted to anime, and so she hates it because of that.
No, my girlfriend had watched Naruto before we got together, and but she just had it like playing in the background while she was doing like schoolwork and COVID.
What is going on with? Hold on, bro. My headset's being weird.
But yeah, guys, I don't think there's gonna be anything else. All right. How are you calculating max profit to validate consistency rule on Apex, bro? I just do the math. Like, I need at least like 3 or 4 trades or 3 or 4 days to be the same. Just pass another top step 50K. Let's go, bro. I thought you mess with Cardi. I do. I do like Cardi. What's wrong with Cardi? Last one of the week. The cups,
Oh no, I do.
yeah,
need to
the
get
cups
3K
do
for
look
a
nice.
payout. Wow.
The cups
okay.
do look sick. No, it's 2100. 2 minute V shape. I just don't like the data lows, but I guess there's an SMT with data lows. I just prefer data lows to get swept on NQ. But if you were comfortable with that, yeah.
Oh, I guess they changed their rules because account balance needed for an advanced purchase before September 12th.
Wait, let me see.
Is-
Wait, let me see.
Did they change these today? Look at my screen
Wait.
share.
Needed for no, you're looking at the wrong thing, bro. Go to payout rules.
This is.
Oh, okay, go back down.
So I bought mine before this though. This is like yesterday. This is today.
The numbers are the same though.
No, this is account balance for all growth in advance now is 53. For growth purchase before September 12th, it's 52,100. Advanced purchase before September 12th is 52,100.
Oh, people are getting getting the 2,100 and taking out half of their buffer, bro. Some irresponsible traders getting a payout then blowing the account. Taking a 1K payout then blowing the account the next day. 35% consistency is not that bad. And I don't think I've gotten like any huge wins. So I think I should be good with the consistency rule. So after I request this payout, I will be above the buffer. That's crazy, dude. In the first 2 weeks of this month, and this month has been horrible. In the first
Yeah,
2
this month
weeks,
is not
in
good.
the first 2 weeks of this month, I've already made more than I would have made an entire month at Amazon when I used to work there. It's insane. I wouldn't consider I've made it yet, though. I'm not like rich or anything. Definitely not rich. I owe Ian money.
Okay, bro.
Don't mind what's the payout looking like? Because you said it was your biggest one. I was thinking either 1,500 or 2K, but I'm probably just going to do 1,500. The biggest one I've gotten before this was 1K. To get 1,500. I could do a lot.
What was
How
1K?
have I
How
been
long ago was
profitable?
that
For
though?
a couple months. The 1K was 2 weeks ago. It takes 8 trading days minimum to get a payout. Samachi, when did you become profitable? I'll say a couple months ago. All you need is more funding. Yeah, dude, this week, bro, I've only taken one partial and one win this week, and then we took like 2 wins last week, and that got me the payout. Or no, 3. I had a partial and 2 wins last week, and then a loss and a like partial on the same day, something like that. But yeah. If I were to wait one more trading day, I would be able to request a really big payout, but I don't want to wait. I'm gonna request it. Just damn got profitable a couple months ago, and price action has just been shit. Yeah, dude, it sucks, bro. I've been trading for about a year and a half, dude. Price action was so easy last week. I was going back over some of my trades when I first started, and it was just, nah, bro. It was just nah. Making more than you did your previous job is the first milestone. Facts. And then while I'm waiting for this payout to get approved, I'm gonna use my other accounts and try to get those numbers up on those accounts. I was back testing last September. Yeah, dude, it was so nice. I was back testing August from last year. Oh my gosh, dude. I was taking like on the thing, bro. It was like a break in 4 days, a break even and 4 wins in 4 days. So that was, and they were all like 1 to 2R. Really good, bro. I don't know, bro. That's why I'm like trying to tell people, bro. If you're doing good in this price action, and people are like, "Well, I'm taking wins," like, okay, well, I just took a win too, but I'm still complaining about the price action. Just because you win doesn't mean our short's good now.
Okay,
No,
back.
we're at all-time highs. But yeah, it was so good. And I'm just that's why when I tell people, I'm like, bro, if you can at least be break even in this price action, you will be set once price goes to being good again. I'm gonna fill my water. I'll be right back, guys. I'm a beginner. I can't trade this PA. Bro, you need to, bro. Get good with this PA. Dude, I already know since I'm profitable in this PA, I'm gonna be absolutely banking. I'm gonna be absolutely banking when price goes back to normal. Yeah, so January normally is bad price action to start the year. February was decent, and then March just I feel like all year's been bad. For the most part, we've had some good months. Glad we made it through this week green because yeah, either way I would have been green because I had a partial, but yeah, dude. Oh my gosh, it was so easy back then. I took those times for granted. I would get greedy, get on and take 3 trades in one day. 5 minutes short, we're at all time highs. Hurricane. It's against my rules to long at all time highs. I mean short at all time highs. Sorry, we're not delivering. We can't be delivering off anything. But yeah, I'm not saying you can't take it, but I personally wouldn't. Am not going to take this. All time highs suck to trade at. We've been at all time highs all year. That's another problem with this price action is we've just been at all time highs almost all year. Give me an SMT at DataWix. Keep messing with you. Yeah, today's SMT, the first one, this morning that we had with this data low, was really good because it was in our favor. We had already swept it on NQ. I don't like SMTs like this where we haven't swept it because it doesn't follow my model liquidity sweep inverse. So this one was better. Swept at a low, SMT at the lows, and then delivery, a sweep of the sell side. And then 30-second iFVG targeting the rebalance of this 5-minute gap here. What am I waiting for? I'm already done for the day. I took this. Targeting this 5-minute here. This is the trade I took. I took it on stream here. I'm already done. We're at all-time highs. So what I would be looking for would be like a pullback. Like maybe we come back down, sweep London low, but we're already so far into AM session that I don't think 1017. The 2-minute
Can you hear me?
there's data lows below, but there's an SMT at the data lows. But me personally, I don't like taking a long off a data low if we don't sweep it on NQ. Because I enter on NQ. I mean, if you would have entered on ES, then I guess, but ES has been chopping since then. Yeah, I can hear you, Ian. Sorry. I was like, oh my gosh, Ian.
Yeah.
Why did you take that 30-second earlier? I personally faded because the 30-second inverse wasn't super clean. Well, we had SMT with data low. We had swept this low, tapped into the 15-minute here. So SMT with data lows, 15-minute delivery here. We have on the 5-minute, if I go right here, you see we have an unmitigated 5-minute. All right, so an unfilled 5-minute here. All right, unfilled 5-minute that needs to be rebalanced. So you go to the 30-second. I'm like, all right, I'll take this 30-second if we get it. We need to rebalance that 5-minute. Do we have a 1-minute here? No, no 1 minute. The 30 seconds the highest time frame. We have no 2-minute, no 3-minute, no 4-minute. 5-minute was the highest time, or 30-second was the highest time frame gap. And on top of that, we are at all-time highs. So I was bullish, like you said, it matched bias. So here, I entered here. Stop loss was going to be here, but we formed this order block. So stop loss was below the order block right here. And boom, stop loss is below the order block. And she was here. Unfortunately, my fill sucked. My fill was all the way up here. That's just, I guess, my luck. But right here was supposed to be entry, and then I moved break even when we were like right here, just because we had ran like a bunch of highs. I don't normally go break even with, like you said, Mac model, but we ran all these, and like I just didn't want to see it reject here, so I moved break even when we were like up here, just chopping. You were looking to take a long off the 15-minute unfilled. I'm confused why off the 15-minute you took it off. What do you mean? Were you looking to take a long off the 15-minute unfilled at 23994? This one? Why you took it off the 15-minute you took it off of? Because this part of it was still unmitigated. How much was that? It was only 1 tick. But it was only a 5-tick gap or 6-tick gap. So, I mean, you could draw the 5-minute if you want. I mean, this part of the 5-minute was still unmitigated. It didn't close below. We still held it. I wasn't looking to take a long off of that because that one wouldn't have had a liquidity sweep with it. This one would have formed a liquidity sweep with it. This one wouldn't have formed a liquidity sweep. If we had came down to here, I would have looked for it, but we didn't come down to there. But yeah, anybody got any questions? I do have to go edit the live execution. I'm texting Ronaldo trades. Can I see the 2-minute in your trade? Guys, I'm texting Ronaldo trades right now, and I was texting. I thought I was texting my girlfriend about the movie the Demon Slayer movie, and she's like, "What are you talking about?" I was like, "Never mind." He's like, "Going to the gym," and then I kept repeating myself, and I was talking, and then he said, "Bro, read back what you're saying and tell me if it makes sense." And I realized I was texting the wrong person. So then I was like, "Oh, I thought I was texting my girlfriend." He's like, "Am I not enough? Am I not important enough to you?" Like, bro. 2 minute was the highest time frame in the leg. Where? What 2 minute? J Dog. What 2 minute? I don't see a 2 minute here, dude. I mean, I don't know. I don't see a 2 minute there. Oh, you're good, J Dog. Let me see. Oh, I feel good today. First happy day all week. Monday, Tuesday sucked. But actually, no. Monday, Tuesday, I was happy. Monday, Tuesday, I was happy. But all week just sucked. Now, yeah. What a mentally draining week, guys. Well, I'm gonna go get ready to upload today's live execution. I'm gonna go do some final things for the Discord, and I'll see you guys later. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow, join the Discord, the free Discord. But yeah. All right, I'll see you guys later.